I want to fly airplanes.
I want to invent a time machine.
We wanted to build cars and we held on to that childhood dream. Along with our birth dates, we also share a passion for automobiles, but for very different reasons. I loved learning the mechanism of how a car works. It all motivated me to learn more and more about how engines function. And I was inspired by Bollywood. Cool cars, stylish entries, and glamour was what caught my attention. As teenagers, we always dreamt of designing cars of our own brand. We were constantly searching for answers to only one question: how do we make cars that do not have a damaging impact on the environment? The more we researched, the more it became clear to us that the future is electric. We soon realized the main reason for low demand of electric vehicles. It was batteries and the issues relating to it, like charging time, range issues, cost. But our main concern was, and still is, the dependence on lithium. So we extended our research to understand the chemistry of a battery. After learning industrial ecology and biomimicry, I also did courses in nanotechnology. All this helped both of us realize that the vital element to build a better battery is in our backyard and available in abundance. Crop residue. Upon further research, we learned that these batteries could solve problems we didn't even think of. Like every 100 batteries produced can help a farmer earn an additional 25,000 rupees and prevent the crop residue from burning, thus preventing massive amounts of air pollution. Since we are doing research, we are working with a limited number of farmers in and around Bhubaneswar only. But once we go commercial, we are looking at working with farmers nationwide.
ଛଣରାଗ ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଥିଲୁ ଏବଂ ଜଳେଇ ଦେଉଥିଲୁ, କିଛି କାମରେ ଲାଗୁନଥିଲା। କମ୍ପାନୀ କି କିଛି ବିକି ଦେଇକିରି ଆମେ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତରେ ଟଙ୍କା ରୋଜଗାର କରିବୁ ବୋଲି ଭାବିଛୁ।
The batteries charge 8 to 10 times faster, offer 20 to 30% longer life, and cost 30 to 40% cheaper than the existing counterparts. And on top of that, they are completely biodegradable, which means no more burden on the landfills. So just out of curiosity, we did some calculation and found out that if we take this approach, in the next 100 years, we can prevent around 7 billion tons of CO2 from entering the atmosphere. Isn't that amazing? So far, we've developed batteries for the two-wheeler and three-wheeler EVs, and the prototype is undergoing trials with EV manufacturers. We believe it's everyone's responsibility to bring about a positive change towards a better future. So change what you can.